Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about hot hatches of 2024, the Honda Civic Type R. Stick around as we explore every detail of this performance beast, from its aggressive exterior design to its thrilling performance under the hood. Exterior. Let's start with what grabs your attention first, the exterior. The 2024 Civic Type R doesn't just look aggressive, it is aggressive. This year's model carries forward the bold styling we expect from a Type R, but with some fresh tweaks. The front grille has been widened to improve airflow, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a more menacing look. Along the side, you'll notice the muscular fender flares and those 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, perfect for gripping the asphalt in every turn. Interior. Stepping inside, the Civic Type R is all about combining sportiness with practicality. You're greeted with these super supportive, red bucket seats that are not only stylish but also provide incredible bolstering for spirited drives. The flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped steering wheel features the signature red R badge and offers a great feel in your hands. The cabin is focused around the driver, with a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a 9-inch infotainment screen in the center, both offering crisp graphics and responsive touch controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, of course, making connectivity a breeze. Performance now. Let's talk about what makes the Civic Type R truly special: the performance. Under the hood, we've got a 2.0-liter, turbocharged inline-4 engine pumping out 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. So, there you have it, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R, a hot hatch that perfectly balances everyday usability with track day thrills. Whether you're a die-hard Honda fan or just someone looking for a fun, engaging car, the Civic Type R deserves a spot on your radar. What do you think about the new Civic Type R? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Alerts for more reviews and automotive content. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your spirits high.